Now, non-uniform acceleration. A body has non-uniform acceleration if its velocity increases by unequal amount in equal interval of time. That means the velocity, the rate of change of velocity at an equal interval of time should be different. So to say a body is in non-uniform motion, the change in velocity at equal interval of times should be different. For example, I have given a column in this, velocity is plotted here, time is plotted here. In first second, the object was traveling 2 meters per second. In the second that object was traveling at 10 meters per second, that much velocity. And third second, that object was traveling at 12 meters per second. Then fourth second, that object was traveling at a velocity of 18 meters per second. And fifth second, that object was traveling at a velocity of 10 meters per second. If you are considering this, you can find that the change in velocity at equal interval of times is different. In this case, between first and 2 seconds, the change in velocity is 8 meters per second. See, 10. So change in velocity 10 minus 2, that is 8 meters per second. Now here the change in velocity is 12 minus 10, that is 2 meters per second. Now here the change in velocity is 6 meters per second. And here the change in velocity is, listen, here the change in velocity is, here there is a retardation. So from 18 meters per second, the speed has, or the velocity has reduced to 10 meters per second. So the change in velocity is minus 8 meters per second. So you can see that at equal interval of time, that is in each 1 second, the change in velocity is different. In this 1 second, 8 meters per second. The next second, the change in velocity is 2 meters per second. So in the next 1 second, 6 meters per second. And here, retardation it is slowing down by minus 8 meters per second. So here the acceleration is 8 meters per second square. Here the acceleration is 2 meters per second square. And here the acceleration is 6 meters per second square. Here it is accelerating, but here it is decelerating. So here the deceleration is minus 8 meters per second square. So this is the accelerations, this is the deceleration. So here we can find that to say it is, because why it is said this non-uniform acceleration, because in every equal interval of time, that is here it is 1 second, the change in velocity is different. So that kind of a motion can be said as non-uniform acceleration.